Hey guys, Ricardo Vega here, and I'm going to make a Tops Kick video. So yeah. And the packs are going to be from Champions League. So far this is a bad pack. Why is this taking so long? Okay, finally it's done. Why is this taking so long? Okay, so we end up getting this guy. And that's it. Are you serious? Again? Okay. Not a bad goalkeeper, but I think I could use him. Are you? Oh, and we end up getting Alexis Sanchez. Not a bad one. Another goalkeeper. Oh my. Okay, it's finally done. Hopefully there aren't no more. Oh, Luis Suarez. That's a nice pull. Okay. John Terry. Not a bad one. Oh my god. David Silva. Nice pull. Ooh. Oh my god. I do not know what's wrong with my tablet. For some reason it's slow. Oh my! Oh my god. What? What? That's in what? Oh my. Oh god. Did I seriously just pull him? What? Another one. That's what? That's insane. A blue? Oh, that's my. I only got 4 golds. That's my very first blue. There's still 50. Okay, 40 now. I still have 41 coins left. A gold. Super rare. Okay. Oh, back to back. Back to back. Oh my. Are you? What? What? You guys gotta open these packs if you have this. Unbelievable. Newer. What? It's insane. Oh my god. This is definitely the best I've ever done. Oh! Another one. What? That's unbelievable. Give me a gold. Another gold. I know I'm gonna get a gold in this pack. Just give me a gold. Give me another gold. Ooh, Fernando Torres. One more pack after this, and that's all. I can't believe it. Sergio Aguero. Wrong pack. Oh my. Cristiano Ronaldo. I never got a Messi. I think this is the last pack. Let me check the up. Well, that's the end. Well, hold up. Just let me show you my cards real quick. Look at this. Look at all of these packs. Look at, I put like 4 golds to, no, like 5 golds and 1 blue. That is insane. Oh wow, it's about to die. Well, then that's the end of the video. So